Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through B2 first, open close, exercise number FCE048. Let's start with number 1. Excuse me, could you not stand in blank of me like that? I can't see anything. The correct answer is front. In front of indicates position. For example, please don't stand in front of the TV. Another example is, there is a statue in front of the building. Moving on to number 2. If you want to become a doctor, you will need to do well in biology, but in the other sciences, blank. The correct answer is 2. 2 means in addition or also. For example, I like apples and I like oranges too. Another example is, he works hard and plays hard too. Next up, question 3. Blank the cold outside, she insisted on only wearing a light t-shirt. The correct answer is despite. Despite is used to show contrast. For example, despite the rain, we went for a walk. Another example is, she remained calm despite the chaos around her. Here's question 4. Don't blank fun of Mr. Peterson because of his crutches. He had a very nasty accident. The correct answer is make. Make fun of means to mock or ridicule. For example, it's not nice to make fun of people. Another example is, they made fun of his new haircut. On to question 5. We don't have to play musical chairs at the party. There are blank kinds of other games the children can play. The correct answer is all. All kinds of means many different types. For example, there are all kinds of books in the library. Another example is, she likes all kinds of music. Another possible answer for this question is many. Question 6. I didn't go to the dentist's because I wanted to. I went because I blank to. The correct answer is had. Had to indicates necessity. For example, I had to leave early. Another example is, he had to finish his homework before going out. Another possible answer for this question is needed. Question 7. Go down this street for about 3 blocks, then turn right when you blank the crossroads. The correct answer is reach. Reach means to arrive at a place. For example, call me when you reach the station. Another example is, she finally reached the top of the mountain. And now, the last one, question 8. That new car of yours isn't at all similar blank the one you had last year. Why did you buy such a different one? The correct answer is 2. Similar to means alike in appearance or nature. For example, this book is similar to the one I read last month. Another example is, your idea is similar to mine. That's all today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.